Okay, we are back with another one. This one is crazy. As y'all can see, mom, new boyfriend attacks dad during custodial exchange. Let's just get right into it, man. This one went insane. I'm like, what the hell is going on?
I'm scared to get out of the car.
You should be, because you're not going to see the kids after this, because you just invited a man who jumped on top of my pregnant girlfriend and broke her fucking windshield like a fucking psychopath, because that's who you think is okay to have around our kids.
I wanted you to meet him. I didn't know that was going to happen.
Obviously that's not the reality. I'm getting on the interstate, so you have the decision to get off here or you can get in the car and sit in between the kids. But I'm getting on the interstate and I'm going out to random.
Please, at least just let me say bye to the kids.
You've had plenty of time. I'm
literally sitting in a car like this. I just want to say bye to my kids because you're not going to let me see them over something that's not my fucking fault.
We can certainly do scheduled and we can certainly do supervised, but after you just had someone who did that, absolutely not. I don't trust you or who you bring around. That's fucking insane.
I literally just wanted you to meet him. I didn't know this was going to happen.
Well, maybe consider who you have around, Allie. Obviously, you don't have the best track record. Yeah, right? Okay, well, great job. Great job. We'll never forget that. I'm seriously scared that he's going to come running around because he's just chasing us. So I'm not going to wait here for much longer. You have 30 seconds.
I don't know why you're not going to let me see my kids. I didn't plan this.
Well, okay, you can come over and we can do something supervised, but as of right now, I'm leaving.
Well, you'll let me see them.
I'm not going to make you promises, dude. This isn't about a promise. This is about the safety of our children.
I know, and I need to be in my
Okay, I promise you that we can set up something supervised as soon as tomorrow. But right now you need to go and figure out what the hell you're going to do with that thing that you call a boyfriend after 2 weeks. That's fucking insane. My pregnant girlfriend, he jumped through the window at. What the fuck?
I don't know. I just wanted you to meet him.
Great guy. I'm glad we had this meeting. Please leave. I'm going to the police station right now, by the way. So, expect the cops. Get your story straight, because I have everything on recording.
I don't have
What the hell?
Okay, well, I'm leaving. I gave you more than 30 seconds. You need to get out. Please, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Just don't keep them, please.
Yep, we will set up a supervised visit as soon as tomorrow, and we will go over more. Thank you.
Yo,
okay,
what
it's gonna be
hell?
Right when you leave.
No, what did I just watch, bro? Let's go back. We're gonna put this on mute. First and foremost, she's riding with the door open, right? There's a cracked windshield. The baby is she's holding on to the door, and her other arm is on the baby's car seat. With the baby in it, the dad is driving with his new girlfriend or whatever the case may be, because she's pregnant. So at some point, she has a point to consummate. They had an altercation with her new boyfriend, which is the baby mom's. Was he riding away from the scene so the boyfriend wouldn't do anything to them, and then she just latched onto the car? And this is the most calmest argument I've ever seen in my life. Like, this is horrible and crazy and toxic, right? But I've never seen anybody so calm, holding the door, just having a conversation directly. Damn near like she was just like in the camera, like, but she's talking to him. He's driving and taping her at the same time and getting everything and talking and who are these people? You don't see. Look. She like, how did I get myself? The new baby moms. It's like, how the fuck did I get myself into this? There's no way that anybody can survive this and nobody don't go to jail. There's no way that anybody can survive this and the babies don't come out traumatized. The baby in there screaming for dear life, and all he cared about is who whopped the wham. If this is your child in her womb and also your child in the back seat, homeboy should have got out and did what he's supposed to do. Even if he got his ass whooped, you're supposed to do what you gotta do. Gotta do what you gotta do. You put your new baby in danger, your new girlfriend in danger, and your baby in danger. If you don't care about the child mother, okay, that's one thing. But he put all of y'all in danger. And you sitting over here driving with the chick, showing the windshield, this and that. What did he do to? You know how much you gotta do to break a windshield? Yo, that's not easy. He must have really just jumped on the damn car for real. Yo, these people insane, man. God bless these people, man. I hope the babies is gonna be okay. This is one of them case studies. It's like, man, I'm glad I never had to. I you know, see, there we go, judging again, Tristan. First and foremost, I've definitely been through something like this. I don't even know if I want to tell the story. I'm gonna tell a little inkling. One time I had my son. I'm not even gonna tell it. I'm gonna leave it for a story time. I'm gonna start doing my own story times again, right? Because I'm 40 years old, and it's like I could tell these stories at this point. You know, if people get mad at them, that's their damn fault. They shouldn't have did it. The fuck? You did it to me. I ain't doing it to you. If somebody tells a story about what I did to them, that's something different. You know what I'm saying? Hey, tell a story what I did to you, but make sure it's the truth of what I did. Don't tell no lies. Only tell the truth. I can live with that. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the tick and the blicker. It's been going the whole time that the video been going, man. This was a wild one. And this one was a
wild one.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because if you don't, you're gonna